Okay, so here is the simplest way you can, reduce noise for your video on CapCut. So first thing, you head over to CapCut, you bring in the video you want to work with. Okay. So you go to your volume, you highlight on the video, you go to the volume to increase it, the volume. So if you can hear that clearly, you see that noise is actually entering your video, that the background noise is actually affecting the video. Okay, so you highlight the video. Okay, then you scroll down over to voice enhancement. You click, then you drag this arrow over to this side, to the right, then you are allowed to enhance the voice. Okay, so once it's up to 100%, okay, you go over to the other side where it's written noise cleanup. You drag it also to 100. You allow it to apply. So now once it's 100, then you tick good. So now let us listen to it from afresh. You notice that the voice, how to secure your channel. Okay, you notice that the voice has been enhanced. You will no longer hear any background noise. Your channel. Okay, so we're come to the end of today's tutorial. So if it is your first time of seeing my video, do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so as to get to know when I post any video. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.